my god. Oh my god, what was that? What is going on, guys? Over here we have a Mustang owner. And we're gonna show him how to drive stick shift in Brittany. Wish me luck. So before we start this video, guys, I know the first thing you're gonna notice is this shirt right here. This should be live on the website on SoCalledZ.com. Go check it out. Link will be top of the description. Super limited. They're the special 10,000 subscriber shirts I talked to you guys about a long time ago. So if you want one of these, very limited, link below, check them out. I'm not lying, guys, you can ask Humberto. The quality of these shirts is really good quality. Like, I don't even wear this high quality shirt. And thank you guys so much for supporting. Enjoy the video. So before we start the video, I don't know if you guys are gonna remember, but it is Humberto. Follow him on Instagram, little tag right here. But he's been before in one of the videos where I put his 370Z fast, and then I raced his V6 Mustang. He did beat me, he did. But since that happened, he actually upgraded to a 2016, right? Yep. A 2016 GT, as you guys can see right here. Pretty nice, I'm not gonna lie. It's pretty nice, but there's one thing about it. It's automatic. There's nothing wrong with automatic, but I mean, we gotta show him how to drive manual. So I have one goal this video. It is to try to convince him to trade. Well, it's probably not gonna trade it in, but to at least consider getting a manual GT. We'll see. Actually, if you guys look at it from up here, it does look like a manual, but then you go down to here and you see everything. My man put a manual shift knob on an automatic. Yeah, he was just telling me this is actually really cool. He has like it's obviously not real carbon fiber, but it does look really nice. It is real carbon fiber. It's like a red. It looks pretty cool, dude. Yeah, matches with the car. But this killed me. I had no idea he had this on the car. This, don't roast him too hard in the comments below, guys. But that is so funny.
2 days.
Oh yeah, he had the car for 2 days, right?
And someone crashed him.
And somebody crashed into him, and so the front end bumper was really bad. So he ended up getting the GT350 front bumper, which makes it look so much more aggressive. Yeah, that was really nice. And as you guys can hear from that, definitely not stock. So you have headers, and then the Borla catback, and the mid pipe from Borla, I think. Yeah. And I'm pretty sure some of you have noticed, this is probably the most. It's very
lights.
Super controversial, but honestly really unique, and I really like it. To be honest, on camera it might not look as good as in person, because I remember when I seen pictures of this before, they didn't look that good, but honestly I approve. They look pretty cool, and they're unique. And then you got the GT500 wheels.
Major.
Pretty clean. And yeah, that's pretty much it. He did put on the dyno to see how much horsepower he got, so here's a little clip of that. If you think you know how much horsepower he made, comment below. Yeah, I know it's. Alright, you need to stop roasting how dirty she is. I opened the door, he's like, from the outside it looks amazing, and then the interior is really bad.
Inside, 1997.
But yeah, let's stop talking and let's get to why you guys clicked on this video. Mustang owner, learns how to drive stick shift in the 370Z. If you mess it up, he's gonna pay, so I'm okay with that. So actually I'm gonna sit down here and tell him some tips because he did sound kind of nervous. Okay, so obviously you fix the seat, clutch in whenever you want to go into gear, then you put it in first, right there. Then you just gotta let out of the clutch slowly and accelerate at the same time, just slowly. Don't keep, doesn't have to be fast. And then first we're gonna practice it first, but then after that, every time, like let's say you're going from first to second, you gotta put the clutch in, and then same thing. So
easy.
Yeah, just practice. He looks so nervous. He's like, oh god, I'm gonna mess something up. Don't mess it up. I feel like I'm doing something good for the car community. I mean, like manuals are dying. I gotta at least change somebody's mind about the manual, you know? I feel like you're in a Toyota Supra.
Yeah.
Much different in the Mustang, but that you feel like more like at the cockpit. First of all, your car's up there, so this is just like a normal car. So you steer to the left, and you make sure you don't. Yeah, okay, let me just put that out of the way. Okay, so first, if you want to go first, you put the clutch all the way in, yep. First gear. Okay, you're in first. So now you would let go of the clutch slowly.
First, the clutch.
Slowly, and then when the car's moving, very slow. When the car's moving, you accelerate a little bit.
I'm over.
Keep going, keep going. Keep going. Okay, now accelerate a little bit. Tranquilo. Accelerate a little bit and clutch out. Oh, there we go.
Jesus
Yeah.
Christ.
That was good. He did not stall on the first run. Okay, now.
Wait,
You're gonna-
what are the RPMs? So?
No, tranquilo. Now put the clutch in.
Okay.
Let go of the accelerator. Clutch is in. Now put it in neutral.
Oh, neutral?
Yeah, just put it in neutral. Just
Okay,
stop.
okay.
And just come to a normal stop.
Wow.
Just stop normal.
Yeah,
Clutch out, clutch out, yeah. Every time the car's in neutral, you don't have to put the clutch in.
Okay.
Because in neutral, nothing's happening.
Okay.
That was good. Wow, I'm proud. That was good. Round 2.
Why do we have to do it again, bro? We already moving, bro.
Come on, you got this, you got this.
Alright,
Clutch in, remember? Clutch in, first gear. Okay, now you can let go of that. Now very slowly let the clutch out and slowly, a little bit faster. Okay, now accelerate. Okay, accelerate normal. Now you're gonna put the accelerator out, clutch in, second gear. Now normal, yeah, no more. Hey, there we go. Yes, I'm a good teacher. I think I'm a good teacher. Okay, now you put the clutch in, and then you neutral, and then just brake normally.
Oh, okay.
Brake normally, yeah. Yeah, you can rev it.
Oh, it sounds good.
It's no V8, but honestly, I feel like
it
this sounds better than the
good,
V8. I knew he was gonna look at me. Oh my gosh, what was that?
Got it.
It's in neutral.
Yeah, I saw. So I have to put it on.
You can put a
first?
second. Clutch in. There, you're second. Clutch out, dude.
Changing from first to second, I just let the clutch out and then.
Yeah, because this car has rev match, so it doesn't jerk that much.
I was pushing the gas.
Yeah, you see when you push it too
Yeah.
much, it jerked a lot. So you don't have to push the gas too much.
That's why.
You can come to a stop right here. All right, I feel like you graduated. You know what to do, so.
You sure?
All right, yep. No idea what I'm doing, but. Come on, you got this, you got this. She's so scared. Oh my God. Yes, I taught him how to drive stick. So we were revving the car. Oh my God. Yo, that sounds loud. Good job. You kind of jerked, but you got it.
Yeah, I did.
All right. Again, one more time, one more time.
How many RPMs do I have to give it, like, so it'll start going?
What do you mean?
Like, cause you told me the.
Like maybe 1,500,
1,000.
and then just let it slow.
Oh, 1,500.
Because if you do 1,500 and you let it out fast, the clutch out too fast, you're gonna go bum 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 bum.
Okay,
So it depends.
Okay, got it.
Yeah. Can't believe I'm doing this. But I feel like he already knew how to drive stick shift before coming here. What the heck?
Bro, esa tuvo buena.
That was good. You did, dude. This guy, he didn't stall once. And how many times did you get it out? Like 4?
Yeah, 4.
Wow. So now after he drove both of them, coming from a guy, he's owned like 3 Mustang, guys. He's literally owned 3 Mustangs, and they've all been automatic. And I know you didn't drive a Mustang manual, but you did drive a manual car. Now, like, what would you prefer? And I don't know. Just tell me how you feel now.
Being honest, if you want to have fun with the car, manual is best.
The way to go.
Interact with the car and all that shit. But you know what they say? Automatic wheel races.
Oh, true though. So for more fun, you would choose the manual. Yeah, that's what everybody says. But it is true. Automatic does win races.
Yeah.
Sadly.
Manual makes you like concentrate more on the car. Like,
Yeah, it makes you concentrate. Yeah.
Yeah. But automatic would just.
You're just there. Imagínate with traffic having to like brake and the clutch and.
I couldn't do that.
Yeah, it's not for everybody. But we tried. So you're gonna keep the automatic?
I might trade it in.
What? What? Wait, what? A Nismo 370?
Yeah, if the video gets, but we have to put a time on it. Like
If the video
in 1
gets
month.
2,000 likes, I don't think it's gonna get 2,000 likes, but.
Well, it might. I don't know. It might blow.
But anyways, you should. Oh yeah, because you did want to buy a Nismo before that car, right?
I wanted an Nismo.
Yeah, I remember he did want a Nismo.
But I fell in love.
Wow. Are we making a new Z fam? Super excited to show me this. Go, 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 go. Honestly, this is pretty cool. You learned today?
I did.
Alright.
I didn't install once.
You didn't?
That's good.
Yeah, he did. I'm actually really impressed. So I wasn't recording when he told me this, but before we even started, he told me that if he didn't install once,
I messed up, guys. I have to do a burnout.
he's gonna do a burnout for you, bro. So, content. I did take precaution. He's going that way, and my car's parked back there, so nothing's gonna happen. No Mustang action is gonna happen around here. You went so sideways, I thought you were gonna crash. Dude, that was scary, right?
Get it straight, but yeah, I was scared.
He wants another angle for his Instagram, so he's gonna do another one from behind. Holy crap. You're good. He's over here telling me we're gonna go sideways. Don't go sideways, I'm scared.
We'll try not to crash.
No, what do you mean we're trying not to crash?
Let's go 25.
Dang, that felt really quick actually. So with all that said, I don't even know if you guys can hear me right now. If you can't tell, it is cold. Like super cold right now in Florida. Shout out to Humberto, he's like freezing right now for making the video with us. Follow him on Instagram, I'll put it up somewhere right here. And with that said, we'll see you guys next time. Peace.